What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got a big old fat package. Where's it from? Who sent it? How did it get here? That's gonna be from JK Fung. Who is that, you may be asking? Well, I already have all the answers to likely all of your questions over on my Discord. So you need to be following me over there. You need to be hanging out on the Discord, chatting it up. We're having a good time over there. And I actually have JK in my Discord. So if you had any questions, you can message him right then and there, making it all nice and easy. And he also posts QC pics of just about every type of product that he gets over at my Discord. If you do see anyone in my Discord that has been posting or doing things in the Discord that has been approved by me, and personally, they probably had the link sent to them by me. As of now, it's about 3 to 4. Yule, JK, SN Kick, and Will. All of those sellers I've worked with for over 2 years. Some I've worked with for 5 years, but I can attest that their product's gonna be good. Price point's gonna be right, and the shipping is gonna be fast, and you're gonna be on your way to building yourself a collection just like this one. I really can't say enough how important that is, because YouTube and Google and Facebook and Instagram and Meta, they kind of have a gridlock on this type of stuff, to where you know, you kind of just gotta dance around a little bit. There's a little bit too many rules going on, and you just gotta kind of do your thing. I've had a couple channels terminated. If this is the first video of mine you've ever seen, I'm glad you found this video, because obviously you're trying to save yourself some money, and I'm really, really good at helping people do that. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. All that out of the way, highly recommend you join the Discord. If you want the link, it's down in the description. It's also on my About page. I think this channel, I can't remember what it was last time I looked, but I think we were close to 500,000 views, which is super duper cool. I think accumulatively across all the channels and stuff and the Instagram, I'm probably at like 3.5, 4 million views worldwide. So that's absolutely amazing, and I can't say thank you enough. If you want some older exclusive content that isn't on YouTube or Instagram anymore, I do have a full-length Patreon. You can join for free. You can join for $1. Or if you want to support Jeff and donate the $5 a month, that is completely awesome. And then everything I make from that Patreon gets reciprocated into doing this, much like the YouTube money. I'm not getting rich off of this stuff. I'm just doing it really to help you guys. Wow, looks like we got quite a few items in here. I did give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek over on the Discord, showing you what I had coming. So it looks like 2 jerseys, some jewelry, and some sunglasses. I say we start with the sunglasses first, just that way I can wear a pair of them. Super duper nice box. Didn't come in a cardboard box. It came in that package like you just saw, but I didn't order shoes, so like there wasn't really anything to get damaged. And then both of these shirts are in some Ziploc bags as well. This is in a hard cardboard box. What does that say? I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for finding this video. Now drop a like so I can continue to be proud of you. All right, let's pull these out. Got a authentication card in here as well, and a dust wipe. Can't have enough dust wipes. Love those. Keep one in the car, in the living room, in the office. Always got glasses needing dust off. Oh wow, it's felt on the inside of there. Got this magnetic flap, flips up, and then velvet on the inside. Very, very nice. Feels good. Let's pull out these glasses. Yeah, these are sick. These are like the 2024 version of the Hunter S. Thompson Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. All I'm missing is my vial of mescaline. If you don't know what that is, don't look it up. Oh, God damn. These are sick. They honestly, they don't really do anything. But if I went outside, it'd probably be different. But kind of a more inside glass. You know, if you work in a factory and you got to wear safety glasses, but you just needed to drip on all of your coworkers for whatever reason, boom, I got these right here. I also can get the Oakley Sutro, so I have links posted to those over on the Discord. So I think we're just gonna end up rocking these bad boys the whole time. Let me just make a little bit of room. Put those on the off-white blazers. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I think we're ready to continue. Looks like I got 2 pairs of Prada shades. So let's check out this second pair. Identical insides. No dust cloth, yes, but it's probably inside of there. This one came with a little style book, it looks like, maybe. Where's the English version? Oh, wow. Where's English, dude? I didn't even know there was this many languages. Okay, I guess there isn't English instructions. How am I supposed to know how to put the sunglasses on? Okay. Oh well, we tried. Let's just keep her moving here. Prada box, going open. Same suede on the top. Prada branding right here as well. Pull these out and see which ones these are. These are super light too. Got rubber ear sides. I think it's like an aviator. Yeah, okay. So we got a little bit of a Prada aviator, 100% UV protection, Prada PRZ. So we got these right here. Let's go ahead and do a little flip flop. And now I look like I fly airplanes. I might fly airplanes. I honestly don't know anymore. I think they look good. Versus the yellow tinted ones, these ones actually have a lot of shade. Even looking at my lights, they dull out the lights a whole lot. So these actually do have UV protection, which is very nice. And you can't go wrong with sunglasses. But if you're gonna buy, you know, the 100 and shit, they're not even 100 anymore. They're like $200 at Sunglass Hut, and they try to like suck you in. They're like, oh, buy one get one half off. It's like, dude, why am I buying 2 pairs of $200 sunglasses? I make 15 bucks an hour. You know what I mean? It's like, it don't make sense. Or you can just pay 80 bucks and you can get a solid pair of Prada that are going to be way cooler than anything you can get at Sunglass Hut. And the plus side, and a lot of the reason why I kind of like to get this type of stuff, is no one else has it. You know, you can kind of orchestrate your style into clothing that isn't available in your local stores. So anytime you go out, anytime you go do anything, you know, you're just gonna have that little bit more of a standout factor. Of course, you gotta know how to put that shit on. You can't just buy it, you know, just because it says this or that, and put it on. Like, you gotta know how to put that shit on. But lucky for you, I got quite a few reels in my archive where I do have that shit on. So you can do that as well. Let's open up this bag. I did just get off work, and I have had just an astronomical amount of caffeine. I don't know if you can tell. We got the Death Wish coffee at work. I don't know who brought it in. Whoever did, shout out to you. I appreciate it. But it was the chocolate, or hints of chocolate cherry, and it is really, really good coffee. Didn't even put any cream in it. Looks like I have a Chrome Hearts Dragon Bracer here. And being the year of the dragon, I will try to keep that a trend throughout the whole year. If you didn't check out the video with the Nike SB Dunks, the year of the dragons, that is a super sick video. I highly recommend you go over there and check it out after dropping a like on this one. So one thing I didn't notice in the pictures is it has gold on the head, which is super sick. If you can see in my Cartier Santos XL here, I got the two-tone. I like the two-tone. My necklace, not the Jeff one, but my little baby one with my cross and scroll, that one's also a Tiffany two-tone. So I really like the two-tone. I think it just looks good. It's like you can go, I like going full silver, but you know, when I was younger, I went full gold, but just kind of like, if you have a full solid gold Rolex or something, those things are like $80,000. So like, if you're wanting to bamboozle someone a little bit, you can't really do it with that. They do have the two-tone Patek too. Two-tone Patek Philippe. How does this latch in here? Let's figure that out. So the latch just goes into the little dragon's mouth like that. That's kind of sick. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Got it. All right. So not too thick. Doesn't really, has a little bit of slack so where it'll hang down at the bottom of my wrist. But dude, this thing looks sick. Just down to like the individual scales coming off of it, and then each piece rotates. So it's got like really good movement to it. It's almost like a stem tool. If you took it off, you can sit there and mess around with it. It's got two little silver fangs coming out too. That's badass. That is badass. And it's kind of hard finding bracelets because like some of them are like way too thin, but then you get some, it's just like they look way too thick, kind of tacky looking. This one's kind of right in that sweet spot. I like it. Man, and that gold on the top of its head really hit. JK does have like a huge catalog of chrome hearts jewelry, so if that's something that you're after, he's got a ton of it, and the more you buy, the probably better deal he's gonna hook you up with. Also came with a little bag, the cute little bag, and we're not done yet. We got another chrome hearts piece here, or maybe not. Is there another piece in here? No. Okay, moving on. Oh, it's right here. I see it now. So let's open this. There's a ring. And if I am correct, this is also a piece of chrome hearts. Yep, it is. Just a gold and diamond ring, man. Pretty classy. Got that big center stone there right in the middle. This is like a size 9, so I can wear it on my index finger. Hell yeah. Very sick. Getting layered up in this video, aren't we? Got a Gucci thing here. I think that's kind of just what the ring came with. I think this is a chrome hearts ring, but just based off of the crossing on the very top, but it came with Gucci. Yeah, it says chrome hearts on the inside. Yeah, super sick. Super duper sick. Hell yeah. They might have just been out of chrome hearts boxes and just used the Gucci one. Sometimes it happens like that, but as long as I get the stuff, I really, really do not care. And let's get into the beans of this video. I'm a very, very big baseball fan. I played it through college, and it took up roughly from the time I was 3 till the time I was about 21. So anything baseball related, you know, I always got hats rotating back here. Still got my glove in the closet in case I ever need to go blow out my elbow or something. But Christian Dior baseball jerseys. Atelier Paris Avenue Montagny? Help me out down in the comments with how you pronounce that. I unfortunately have not got to travel to Europe yet. Maybe one day I will. I do have my passport. I know I do have quite a few European viewers, so if you're watching this from across the water, what's up, man? How you doing? Hope you're having a good day, night, whatever time you're watching this. I honestly get almost better viewership posting my videos at 10 p.m. versus like 2 p.m. Central US time, because I'm Central US. Real quick, we looked at it. This one's kind of a Yankees colorway. It's got that classic gray and then navy blue. And then this one is gray, darker gray, with stripes of red that are going vertically down. It looks really good. And then it also just says Christian Dior, Atelier Paris right there on the center. This does button all the way down, and these are wool. So these are gonna be more of that early springtime jersey, maybe early fall. Summertime, 100-degree weather, I'm probably not rocking this bad boy. I'm probably rocking one of the cool dry Dodger jerseys. This all wool would be really nice around the house though. It's almost like, it feels like pajamas. It's really, really nice cotton. All the stitching is perfectly done. I mean, come on. Come on. It doesn't get any better than this. So if you need you some designer baseball jerseys, if you need some sunglasses, if you need some of this jewelry, hit up JK. They got all types of things. Make sure to tell them I sent you, because then they're probably even going to take a little bit more cream off the top. But all I want to do is help you save money, get dripped out, get as many pairs of shoes as you want, all while still being able to, you know, pay rent and take your mom out to dinner for a birthday. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.